discuss what broken symmetry is, we should first know what symmetry is. What is symmetry? The simplest explanation of symmetry is that symmetry is when one half is equal to the other half. But is that really what it is all about? In the chapter 6 of Ian Stewart's book, Nature's Numbers, which talks about broken symmetry. Symmetry is commonly described as a phenomenon when any object has identical or balanced proportions in its halves. Stewart himself described this as bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry, as described by Stewart, is when an object becomes exactly like another, even when you move it, turn it, flip it, or slide it. Some operations are what we call transformation.
There are three common transformations: reflection, rotation, and translation.
Ang reflections or flips o kilala sa tawag na bilateral symmetry ay gumagawa ng mirror effects. When an object is reflected across a plane to create another instance of itself. Halimbawa nito ay ang hugis ng puso, butterfly, at katawan ng tao. Ang rotational symmetry naman ay nangyayari kapag ang isang bagay ay pinaikot ng 180 degrees. Ang imahe ng bagay na yon ay hindi nag-iiba. Halimbawa nito ay mga bilog, mga star, at bulaklak. Ang translation naman ay isang symmetry kung saan ang isang bagay ay kapag inilipat sa isang posisyon with the exact same distance and direction will still maintain its general or exact orientation. Ibig sabihin, kapag ang isang bagay ay nilipat mo sa isang direksyon, ang imahe nito ay hindi nag-iiba. Tinawag ito ni Stewart as the rule of moving things around, which creates repeated units on the plane. Halimbawa nito ay ang tiles sa sahig at ang hollow blocks sa pader ng ginagawang bahay.
Hi, I'm Christopher Suarez. I'm going to report about spontaneous symmetry breaking and all the scientists who are behind it. Enjoy.
Spontaneous symmetry breaking is a spontaneous process of symmetry breaking wherein a physical system in a symmetric state ends up being in an asymmetric state. An example is tossing a pebble into a still pond. You will see a pattern, ripples, and circular waves moving away from the impact of the pebble. The cause of the ripple is the pebble. However, Belousov, a Russian chemist, discovered a chemical reaction that spontaneously formed patterns from nothing. And another Russian chemist, Zabunkinsky, had also modified the rules of Belousov's experiment so that patterns can be formed in spaces as well. You can read the slide for further information.